Good day, sewmates. This is Aniko Chamo. Today I'll be taking the rest of the flare. We've done the 90 degree, 180 degree, and the 360 degree. So today I'll be taking the 720, 1440, and the 270 degree flare. So picking the 720 degree flare, the formula is half of the waist circumference divided by 6.84, which means by the time you put in your waist circumference, assuming we're using the 10 inches rather, I have 0.79. So the 0.7, after folding your fabric into 4, the way we did for 360, you can check through the YouTube channel, you see the video for all that. So folding that, come for the apex like we always do, then you take the measurement for the radius, this radius. Then after doing that, you do the length and shaping it out like we used to do. After cutting it out, it means the flare is for just 360 degree, half of the waist, probably for the front. So to get the back, that means you have to cut 2 of the flare. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So to get the 720 is like you're having times 2 of the 360 degree. So that means the first half you did is for the front, while the other one you cut after cutting the first one is for the back. That means you have 2 for 720 degree flare. So similarly, for the 1440 degree, divided the waist circumference into 4, which means by the time you have cut 1 out, you have to cut the remaining 3 to equate back to the waist circumference, which means 2 will serve for the front and 2 will serve for the back, and that is why you have a very full circle. So I hope you understand that it's very easy. It's like you're dividing your waist circumference into 4, so by the time you cut 1, you have to cut the remaining 3 to equate back to the waist circumference. So you have a very full flare. So why here you have just 2, that's why you are dividing your waist by 2. So by the time you cut 1 out, you cut another one from it again. So you have 2, which will give the 720 degree flare. So for the 270 degree flare, what you do is you multiply your waist circumference by 4, then divide it by 3 first, before dividing everything you now get by 6.24, which I've done here using my sample measurement. So here I have this. But when you want to cut this 270 degree, after folding your fabric into 4, normally the way you do for the rest, we have the folding, the covered sides into 4 like this. You make sure the crease lines are properly aligned. You can iron it so that you can have the crease lines both inside and outside, so you can see the crease lines I'm talking about. So from here now, you will now cut out a part of the 4 shape. So here now I have cut out a part of the 4 shape that I have. This is one part of it. You'll be removing it like that. So you fold back, then you will now go to your value. I have 2.12 here. So now I'll take the measurement from the tip like we always do. Then all round I'll measure the 2.2. After that, I'll take the measurement for the length, then impute my sewing allowances, both at the upper part and at the hem. So when I cut it out, you see what I'm saying. So here we are. After cutting it, we have our flare, the 270 degree flare. So by the time you take your tape roll to confirm round, you see that you have your waist circumference intact there and the length also. So that is the 270 degree flare. You can see it's not as totally full as the 360 degree. And that is that. If you like my video, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have treated all the different flares: 90 degree flare, 180, 270, 360, 720 and 1440 degree flares. they are all there. Very soon I'll take a video tutorial on how to do slash and spread method to get a flare when you want to manage fabric. Thank you. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.